Here is the truth most professionals never hear. You can't out-earn poor money habits. It doesn't matter if you earn 150,000, 300,000, 800,000, or even £1,000,000 shillings a month. If your habits are weak, your money will always disappear quietly, consistently, and painfully. Today, I wanted to walk you through the real reason high-income professionals still struggle financially, why salary alone cannot save you, and what you must do to build lasting wealth. If you have ever looked at your payslip and wondered, how can I earn this much and still feel broke? This video is for you. My name is Manyara Kirago, and for over 20 years, I've coached thousands of professionals across Kenya, from many of the big companies such as Safaricom, PwC, Citibank, UN, and so many others, helping these individuals transition from just earning well to building real wealth and financial independence. And almost every single one started exactly where you may be right now, working hard, earning well, but feeling stuck. If you want to learn the practical steps to get free, watch my video training, Stop Living Paycheck to Paycheck with These Money Secrets. The link is in the description below. This training has helped hundreds of professionals break free from financial stagnation, and it can help you too. If you would like to learn how I can help you go from earning well to building real financial independence, book a free strategy session on Zoom and we can have a chat. My calendar link is in the description below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and ring the bell icon so you'll never miss any video that I publish. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a new video. There is an income lie most professionals believe. Growing up, many of us were taught, just earn more and life will get easier. But reality hits hard. In my coaching work with Kenyan professionals, I've seen people earning $500,000, 700, even $1 million per month, and still drowning in debt, still anxious, still living paycheck to paycheck. Because income doesn't fix confusion about spending, doesn't fix lack of planning, impulse buying, social pressure, emotional spending, poor investment decisions, zero tracking, or lifestyle inflation. Income can only amplify who you already are financially. If you are disciplined, more money helps you build assets. If you are chaotic, more money magnifies your chaos. That's why you can't out-earn poor habits. Let's talk about the silent destroyer of wealth, lifestyle inflation. You earn more, you spend more. You get promoted, you upgrade everything. You change jobs, you start living the part. Suddenly, a bigger car, a bigger house, more eating out, more travel, kids in more expensive schools, more decorations, subscriptions, gadgets, random purchases. And because it happens slowly, it feels normal. But here is the problem. Your spending increases at the same pace or faster than your income. So even when you're earning big money, there's nothing left. Lifestyle inflation is how high earners stay broke. There are 5 habits that destroy wealth, no matter how much you earn. Number 1 is not tracking your money. If you don't know where your money goes, you have no control. Confusion is expensive. Most professionals guess their spending, and they guess wrong. Habit number 2, spending fast and saving later. If you save what remains, nothing will remain, so you'll save nothing. Habit number 3, debt as a lifestyle. car loans, school fees loans, credit cards, furniture loans, phone loans, travel loans. Soon you'll be working for the bank, not for your future. Habit number 4, no emergency fund. One unexpected event and you're forced into debt. Habit number 5, investing randomly without a plan. People pour money into land they don't develop, into get-rich-quick groups, into hype investments, unverified schemes, friends projects, all because there is no guiding system. Again, income cannot fix poor habits. Nothing good happens when you raise income without raising discipline. Let me illustrate. Imagine two professionals. Person A earns 600,000 shillings, has no budget, no plan, 2 big loans, consistent lifestyle upgrades, no emergency fund, little or no investments, stress levels high. Person number B earns 120,000 shillings, tracks every shilling, saves consistently, avoids lifestyle inflation, has a clear investment plan, builds assets slowly, stress levels low. After 10 years, person B will be wealthier, because wealth is not an income game, it's a habit game. Money habits are emotional. People upgrade lifestyles to look successful, to impress peers, to feel valued, to reward themselves for hard work and avoid feeling behind. Many high earners are stuck in financial performance mode, looking rich instead of becoming wealthy. But the world doesn't reward intentions, it rewards habits. There are 3 habits that can change everything. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Before bills, before spending, before treating yourself, automate savings, investments, and emergency fund contributions. Sacco deposits, money market fund transfers. Automation removes emotion. It creates consistency. Habit number 2, track your money monthly, not daily, not obsessively. Do it monthly. This habit alone transforms your financial life because it exposes waste. It highlights patterns. It reveals leaks, builds awareness, reduces guilt, and encourages discipline. Clarity creates control. Habit number 3, build assets, not lifestyles. Assets pay you, lifestyles cost you. Each decision you make should pass one test. Does this grow my net worth? If not, question it. If you feel like you have wasted years, don't panic. You can rebuild. Start with these steps. Track your money monthly, your spending, create a simple budget, cut lifestyle excesses, pay off high interest debt, build a 6-month emergency fund, automate your savings, start investing in safe, simple investments like money market funds, treasury bonds, SACCOs, and acquire one rental asset over time. Stay consistent for 5 years and you'll see the changes. Your income can help you, but only if your habits support it. Your financial peace starts with habits. You can't out-earn lifestyle inflation, emotional spending, disorganization, lack of planning, debt dependency, random investing, or impulse choices. But you can outsmart them with strong habits. If you fix your habits, your income, whether small or large, will finally start working for you. Your transformation starts today. For a clear step-by-step guide, watch my free training. Stop living paycheck to paycheck with these money secrets. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'm Manyara Kiarago.